Hey there, I'm back at the airport. Yes, adventures are ready. I am Jacqueline with Nichols.com, and if you've noticed, I've been a little silent on the YouTube. It's been a busy, busy time. I had given myself a window of time, a challenge, and a commitment to see through a really big goal. And I did it. I'm so excited. Sunday marked 28 days of being in Ocean Beach, California, where every day I stopped work to go watch the sunset. It was gorgeous and beautiful and amazing. What was really exciting during this whole time was I just plugged out everything else, blocked it out. I only went a couple times socially. I hung out with a little bit of family, not much. I just locked down. I got in complete get the project done mode. It worked. And the best part is I already have new clients embracing the new project program bonus. I was able to add an extra course to what I've been creating. So I'm really excited, a little bit tired, a little exhausted, but every single moment was complete and utter devotion. It feels so good to have finally done something that had been on my mind, on my heart for years, and just hadn't been able to do it. Hadn't had an opportunity, hadn't had the available time and the resources. Since selling Discover Love Matches, my amazing agency, to its new owner, I finally have been able to just kind of do what I needed to do. It was pretty exciting. So now we have the Champagne Method philosophy that I will be teaching everything through. And our program is called The Secret Life. The Secret Life begins with a 90-day, 12-week program where every week you get ideas, inspiration, motivation, reflections to dig a little deeper, to push your confidence and courage level and curiosity, discover more about yourself, become more aware of what it is that you're not doing in life, not embracing, not fully aware, and acknowledge that there are new, fresh, and exciting ways to go about living, loving, and savoring all the delicious, juicy details. The really exciting thing is that in The Secret Life, as you get your weekly information from me, you also are going to benefit from so much more. I have 4 additional courses that are included in The Secret Life. And we've got The Real Deal, which is all about finding inspiration and boundaries, setting your perspective and clarifying, raising your bar and deserving more. There's The Red Door. We're going to talk about, so delicious, sex and intimacy. I have a lot of guest speakers ready for that one. And of course, my angels. I am putting together a workshop that I will be uploading very soon and adding to it. The neat thing is you'll be able to buy these separately if you'd like, but they're all going to be included in The Secret Life. It's a vision board workshop and a decluttering, letting go of things workshop, all inspired by the angels. All of that is going to be complemented with our Confessions of a Matchmaker. Confessions of a Matchmaker is an amazing opportunity for me to share the real stories that happened in my 15 years as a matchmaker. That's all in The Secret Life, but the bonus exciting thing that is another part of my passion project that I was able to work on during all of this goodness. Our new program is called The Black Book for Matchmakers. I'm only going to be working with a select few matchmakers that I feel very called and driven to work with. This is going to be the opportunity for me to pass on all of my knowledge, my insight, my skill set, and my abilities to work with singles, and I can give it to somebody else, the right good people, the right people that are ready to show up for all the goodness. I am thrilled, I'm honored, and I am privileged for this opportunity, as I am so excited to know that more love stories are going to happen because of the work that I've been doing and creating. Isn't that fun seeing the dolphin in the background? I had to stop there. I love it. This is the future of so much goodness, so many possibilities. I am off to Portland, Oregon for a little while and get some holiday time with family, and then I will be off to my next adventure. Hopefully I get a little more sleep before the next flight. I look so tired, but I am so happy and so privileged and so blessed to be working forward in this motion of creating an opportunity that is beautiful. It is passion-filled. It is a chance for me to reach such a bigger audience of people. This isn't for everybody. This is for those that are willing to push the envelope, the curiosity, those that have questions and things they want to learn more about, things that they, maybe don't know who to ask. They'll be able to ask the community. The cool part is, in addition to all of our on-demand videos and workshops and all the goodness there, we also will be having a monthly champagne toast, virtual get-together where we all get to celebrate the good news and the good stuff from our community. And once a month, I will have a guest speaker bringing some more yumminess to the community of possibilities. So be open, be curious. And you know what? Sometimes you just need permission to say yes, and I give it to you right now. So let's keep this conversation going. I am Jacqueline with JacquelineNichols.com. Live, love, and achieve. Off I go to Portland on my next adventure.